One of the fun memories of my childhood is in the summer enjoying sprinklers in the heat. And it's very, if you had a childhood like that, it's very common for children to just try to block the pipe of the water by squeezing it and blocking the water from entering. And then the fun is to just let it go again, and then the sprinkler starts again. And this is an analogy that came to me today when I was thinking about a very common dilemma that we have sometimes when we feel no energy to pursue our dreams, to pursue our goals. We have a desire to change the world for the better and to contribute with our gifts, but sometimes we find ourselves without any energy. And the reason can be, there can be many reasons, but the two reasons that I was thinking about is either you don't give yourself enough time to rest and to just play and to enjoy, because life has to be a balance between work, rest, and play in order for it to be fulfilling and for you to be revitalized. And another reason is because we squeeze the life out of ourselves. We literally block the life force by following the horrible traditional work, the mindset around work that we have in the world, which is really anti-life, like to become almost like a robot and to just go as if you have no needs, as if work is more important than you, and the whole way of disregarding your body is very destructive. I listened to a wonderful woman, I don't remember her name, and she made a whole book about rest, about the revolution in rest, and how much of a part of our healing, not just physically, but spiritually, allowing ourselves to not fall into this mindset that we live in this world where people are treated like machines. And one of the reasons in my life that I have squeezed the life out of myself used to be when I was burdening myself with people pleasing, with trying to take care of everyone and everything in order for it to be harmony and to be calm or whatever it is. But I was trying to avoid the storm outside by creating a storm inside, because one human is not made to take care of everyone. We as humans need each other, but not for anybody to take over somebody else's job of taking care of themselves, but to contribute, to enrich their experience, to we support each other, and that makes our growth and our healing all the richer and all the more fulfilling. And when we are trained to be codependent, when we are trained to feel ourselves responsible for how somebody else feels, instead of being responsible for our part, what we do or don't do to contribute to the help and to the healing, it becomes a huge burden. Like it suffocates us. It really almost like crushes our spirit, you know. I used to compare it to like twisting yourself into a pretzel to fit everybody's comfort and ignoring your own needs. It's really so ironic. Like everybody else has to be comfortable and you have no needs. Like that's the mindset that I was operating from. And thankfully I had therapy and I had a lot of trauma healing to help me let go of that mindset. But that doesn't mean that I'm done with it. Obviously, it's a lifelong journey and you can heal deeper layers of that. So I just wanted to share that in case in your life you see that you are depleted. Sometimes it's not about rest. It can also be about rest. But sometimes it's just what you're carrying. You're carrying burdens that are not yours to carry. So putting them down, letting other people take care of things that you are not meant to take care of. Even in your own life, sometimes we have certain things that light us up when we do that kind of work, and other things that are just like, oh, it's like dreadful. Doesn't mean that you have to do it. If you have a way to delegate, to support somebody else in their life where you can do what they don't like, and they do for you what you like. There's so many ways to make yourself easier, but we don't even have the time sometimes to really be aware and help ourselves. That's why self-care is so important, to literally put it into your to-do list and put it on the top, because everything else is impacted by how much you care for yourself and you take care of your needs first. I hope this helps.